Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making an insect repellent using 100 grams of basil leaves. What you are seeing here is a digital scale that measures in grams, and I also have a container that I will be putting the basil leaves in. I also have a knife to cut the basil leaves. What you want to go ahead and do is turn on your scale, and you want to make sure that your scale is 0, as you can see. Next, you want to put your container on top of the scale in order to zero it to compensate for the weight of the container. Next, I'm going to be cutting the basil leaf. You can also cut the stem along with the leaf, and then what you are going to do is pack that into the container until you get 100 grams. So as you can see, voila, I am at 101.2 grams. So next, this is a container that I'll be putting the basil leaves in, and I will also be adding 1 liter of water for it to stay overnight to soak. And what this will do is soften the tissues of the basil leaf. And as you can see, I am measuring approximately 1 liter of water, which is 1000 milliliter. So next, what you want to do is put your basil leaves into the container, after which you will be adding the water to the basil leaves within the container. Of course, you are going to seal your container, and basically this is going to sit overnight to soak. So here we have it, gentle people. It has been soaked overnight, and we have our blender. We are going to pour this into a blender to basically extract the contents of the basil leaf. We give it a nice blend, right? We all know how to use a blender, and of course this is what it looks like. So exciting. And after you reach this process, you are going to basically strain the contents within the blender to basically separate the solid from the liquid. The liquid is what we want, right? Look how nice that looks. Wow, very beautiful. So this is what it looks like, and this is a container that we are going to be using to basically measure our content, because we need 1 liter of content. So if it falls below 1 liter, we are going to top it up with some water, and as you can see, it falls below the 1 liter mark. So what we are going to do is we are going to basically top it up with some water for it to reach the 1 liter mark right there. After that is done, what you are going to do next is you are going to add 2 milliliter of liquid soap. You can basically use whatever brand you have in your kitchen, and you are going to basically add that to the basil concentrate, and you are going to give it a nice shake to agitate the contents. And of course, I have my spray bottle in which I'm going to add my contents. Wow. Of course, we are going to basically test it. Of course, the pressure is very nice. So what we are going to do next is we are going to go outside, and we are going to apply the contents to our plants. And remember, this is an insect repellent, so it will basically keep away insects as also the stink bugs. So you want to ensure that you give your plants a even coverage of the contents, and I must say that this spray bottle is doing a wonderful job. So again, this will keep away your stink bugs and keep away other insects as well. So as you can see, these are the materials I use. I have the blender, the liquid soap, I have my spray bottle, and I have my measuring containers that I use to measure the liquid. Thank you for viewing. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it, so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.